AI agents are in every headline this year. The honest version is more interesting than the hype. 3 minutes. No buzzwords. Start with the distinction that actually matters. A chatbot responds. You ask, it answers. An agent acts. You give it a goal. It picks the steps. It uses tools. It reports back. The shift is from suggesting to doing. That single difference is the whole story and the source of every promise and every problem. First, what an agent actually is. Underneath the branding, every agent is the same simple loop. Plan, act, observe, repeat. The model picks a step. It uses a tool, a search bar, a calendar, a code interpreter, a file system. It checks the result of that tool. Then it picks the next step. The loop runs until the goal is met, or until it runs out of moves. Everything else, every framework, every product, is interface and packaging. Second, what they actually do well today. Narrow tasks, known steps, easy to undo. Pulling structured data from a stack of PDFs. Filing routine tickets. Drafting follow-up emails in your voice. Sorting a backlog by priority. These are the real wins. Quiet, useful, repeatable. Not the autonomous startup that builds itself overnight while you sleep. That part is the demo. The first list is the day job. And that is where the value compounds. Third, where they actually break. Long tasks drift. The agent loses the thread after 10 or 20 steps. They make confident mistakes inside the tools you trusted them with. They double-book your calendar. They send the email to the wrong list. And they can spend real money before you notice. So keep a human in the loop for anything that touches contracts, payments, or any action you cannot easily reverse. Pull it together. An agent is a loop. It earns its keep on narrow, reversible tasks, and it needs a human watching the steps that matter. Anyone selling you more than that is selling you a demo. So tell me below, what's one weekly task you'd hand off first? I'll reply with a setup pattern. 3 is the whole idea behind this channel. 1 topic, 3 pieces, 3 minutes.